Just when you thought I was dead, I'm back, bitches. Hello, I'm Michael Jackson. I'm in heaven right now. Don't worry about me. I'm safe. In fact, I'm chilling with Tupac and Biggie. Yeah, Biggie keeps eating everything in here. Who knew God didn't have enough food for Biggie? Anyway, I just want to give a Grab a Bucket shout out to all my Grab a Bucket crew members: Diggy, Itchy, Sean, Lawson. Yeah, I see you guys from here. You guys are doing a big thing. Yo, you best understand, the king of pop will always remain in your hearts. Dr. Conrad didn't kill me. AIDS did.